Hi there, Ralph here. Right, no, I've not gone mad by starting off at the end. I was asked the other day if I want to go on a factory tour from Jamie, who's from 1Click Print. Now, I've seen Jamie for quite a while. He's one of my Patreons and spoke to him quite a few times, and he's a really great bloke. He's the manager at 1Click at Sheffield, just outside Dinnington. And he made this for me quite a while ago. Well, one of the guys on his shop floor obviously made this, but it's an example. Before I go into I've got a video of a tour around the factory, shall we say. These are the sort of things that they make as well as other things, and this is made out of a kind of a foam sort of plastic, feet on the bottom so you can mount it and hook it on the wall if you want to, but I use this as an ending plate to finish all my videos with. Now they do it in different types as well. This one's made out of a plastic, just an acrylic plastic. It's only about, what, 5mm thick, and it's exactly the same, but it gives you such a different finish. And they do all sorts of stuff. They do it with thicker plastic, they do printing on, they do photo printing, they do t-shirt printing. I've got a couple of these printed off. Really good quality. The shirts on these are ridiculously good. But this is a small, what I've got from, bought the shirts, got these from Jamie anyway, because he wanted to. But next is a video of my tour around the factory. I hope you like it, because I really enjoy being there, and hope you enjoy it too. Firstly, a big thank you to Neil at Retro Man Cave for letting me borrow his advert that he has at the front of his videos. Cheers, Neil. Thank you very much for that. Right, we got straight into the tour. It was a lovely sunny morning, blue skies, absolutely amazing. Just outside Dinnington in Sheffield, the Rotherham area. We're straight into reception. Big happy smiley face there, receptionist. Then we're straight into the warehouse there, the dispatch area. Not many people around. They're kind of either on break or just mulling around. But there's a section to your right, which would be in front of the section above the dispatch area. We have for design areas. But I'll let Jamie tell you a lot more about what sort of stuff they actually do on the design side.
Different grades of canvas. It's all the same print quality, same printers, so you know it's all top-notch print quality.
Yeah.
And then customers will choose different grades frames. So you've got the which, when it's on your wall, is very adequate, perfectly fine. It's MDF, so it doesn't bow, and again the print quality is absolutely fantastic. So that's not a problem. We can produce these massively quickly on the saw automatically. We'll load up 8 of these 8x4 sheets, program it to run, and then you'll get probably up to 4,500 lengths like this off at once.
Yeah.
And then we just put them together. Customers who want to pay a little bit more, we've got the premium frames, which are reinforced, and then we've got the pro frames over there, which we buy in because they're a lot thicker, they're moulded, and they're top notch really. Which is where we do things like, you know, the boards that you had.
Yeah.
The mat board.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll print again on the cannons, and then it'll just come through into here where we'll mount it onto various boards. It could be plastic, it could be MDF, it could be anything the customer wants really. So the acrylic needs to be upstairs where it's clean, the mounted boards can be down here. So the wooden blocks, the photo blocks. Get these, we will spray them ourselves, we've chopped them down ourselves, and then we put the print onto it, and then we'll put a nice tape around there. So when it's finished, absolutely fantastic little product, nice little cheap product for the customer, and yeah, fraction of the price what you're paying someone like Max Spielman.
We're now in the main print room area now, where obviously absolutely jam-packed full of different types of printers for different types. There's Jamie at the side there, guide me around. And there's the design area obviously with the office part there to start with, but we've got so many different types of printers. It's actually just quite mind-boggling to think that the amount of cost in these sort of printers. It's absolutely brilliant, but We have lots of type. They've got the Konica ones, I think. There's a couple of Konica ones coming from in a second. There was those two in front of you there. They're like for flyers and small posters. You get rid of thousands of prints a day. Well, tens of thousands of prints a day. Worth an absolute fortune. Then we get over to the 6 Canon IPF 8400s. There's a couple of them on here called Nigel and Graham, which is quite weird, to be honest. We have 6 of these. They just run off prints and posters and all sorts of stuff. They're really, at the moment, they were actually on a break because this needs to cool down quite a lot. But just quite a good setup there with all the printers. We have to have some things misted out there because of clients and not wanting their pictures on the video. Right, we come a bit further up now to the Duplo DC615 Slitter Cutter Creaser on the left there. Come on, that's it. Basically what it'll do is get sheets full of pictures and it'll just detect exactly where they are, cut them out, and they're just absolutely perfect every single time for the cutting out of your own photos. Over there you've got an Epson SureColor SC S30600 large format printer for outdoors. That you can see there is actually a SureLab, which is basically a small premium photo lab there for doing lots of deep premium photographs. And back onto the Canon. The Canons will actually do the Epsons will actually do signage, outdoor signage for billboards, canvases, posters. There's a printer next to it which is the Canon IPF 8400 as well. But you go over there, different types of prints what you can actually do. Good examples of doing movie posters and stuff like that, and a good little bit of a storage area. And a final look there at the print room. Now upstairs to Jamie's office. He's got a very dark office, but he plans on having neon lighting and LED lighting all the ceiling. The Millennium Falcon was a big boy's toys, obviously. Batman sign. Why not have all this in your own office? To be honest, it's quite good. A bit dark there, but there's an Amiga in the corner there for if I want to chill out and play games. Really interesting little office there, and a friendly dog there to kick me out of the building. And there we go, end of my tour of 1Click Print. Thanks to Jamie, thanks to the guys at 1Click. Really enjoyed my time there, and thanks for giving me a good education. And yes, back to the garage, I think. So back in the garage. Hope you enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed my time there, spending time with Jamie and the people down at 1Click. If you want anything printing, canvases, plastics, material like t-shirts, anything you want printing, doing, whether or not it's just a family portrait, whether or not it's just your holiday snaps, check them out. 1Click Print. They do a lot of stuff online, so you can do online. If not, I'm sure they could do custom stuff for you without any issue whatsoever. So my nice board. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video. Bye bye.